Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will are going to do 9th standard first lesson law of motion question and answer. If you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel, then you will get my all videos notification. So let's get started. So students, we are on exercise. So here our first question is that match the first column with appropriate entires in the second and third columns and remake the table. So you have to remake the table. आपको वापस से ये टेबल बनाना है और मैच करना है ये फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड कॉलम को. तो इसका आंसर देखिए ये है. तो इसका आंसर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ये है. ओके, सो विल नेक्स्ट डू आवर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? दैट इज क्लैरिफाई द डिफरेंस. सो इन दैट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. वी हैव टू क्लैरिफाई द डिफरेंस. हियर इज आंसर. ये वाला आंसर है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट का डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट का. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज uniform and non-uniform motion. You have to clarify the difference. Here is your answer. Okay students, you all got it. This is our question number 2, second answer. Okay, now we will go through question number 3, that is complete the following table. That is you have to fill that a table. So here is your answer. Okay, got it. This is your question number 3 answers. You have to fill the answer over there. Next is our question number 4, complete the sentence and explain them. So you have to complete that sentence and you have to explain. First, see here, question number 1 is that the minimum distance between the start and the finish point of the motion and object is called displacement of the object. So first answer is our displacement. Okay, now second question is deceleration is negative acceleration. Second answer is what? Deceleration is negative acceleration. Okay, negative is your second answer. Third is when an object is in uniform circular motion, its velocity changes at every time. You have here the third answer is velocity. Okay, fourth is during collision dash remain constant. So total momentum remain constant. So your fourth answer is total momentum. Now your question number 4, fifth, the working of a rocket depends on Newton law of motion. So your answer is third law of motion. Okay, so in this question number 4 I have to explain that also. But here is that all these sub question are based on definition, laws, conversion and units. Hence there is no question of explanation. So there is no question of explanation. So that's why we don't have to write the explanation. Okay, got it. Now we will go through question number 5, that is give scientific reason, which is first when an object falls freely to the ground, its acceleration is uniform. So here is your answer, which is your question number 5, first one. Now your second question, even though the magnitudes of action force and reaction force are equal and their directions are opposite, their effects do not get cancelled. So here is your answer of second of question number 5. You have to write this answer. Now third, it is easier to stop a tennis ball as compared to a cricket ball when both are traveling with the same velocity. Here is your answer, third question of question number 5. This also you have to write. Now fourth one, the velocity of an object at rest is considered to be uniform. Now this is your answer. Okay, these answer are the question number 5 questions. Okay. Now let's go further. Here is question number 6, that take 5 examples from your surrounding and give explanation based on Newton's law of motion. Okay, so here is your answer of question number 6. You have to write this one. Continues this answer of question number 6. Okay, got it. Okay. This is your question number 6 answer. Now we will go on question number 7, that is solve the following example. You have to solve this. So when an object moves 18 meters in the first 3 seconds, 22 meters in the next 3 seconds, and 14 meters in the last 3 seconds, what is the average speed? You have to find the average speed. Here is your answer also given, but you have to write the solution. So it is your solution. Here is your solution. Now second one is that an object of mass 16 kg is moving with an acceleration of 3 meters per second square. Calculate the applied force if the same force is applied on the object of mass 24 kg. How much will be the acceleration? You have to find the acceleration. Okay, here is your solution. Now yes, next question is that third one, question number 7. A bullet having a mass 10 kg and moving with a speed 1.5 meter per second penetrates a thick wooden plank of a mass 900 gram. The plank of a initial at rest. The bullet gets embedded in the plank and both moves together. Determine their velocity. Okay, here is your solution. That is third question answer. Okay, now next question. A person swims 100 meter in the first 40 second, 80 meter in the next 40 second, and 45 meter in the last 20 second. What is the average speed? Okay, here is your solution of fourth. So we have finished our exercise question answers. In next section we will start our question answer of lesson number 2. Science, lesson number 2 of science 9th standard. Okay, thank you for watching.